hot and sexy. 51 years old. Bastos niyo. Saan yung bastos dyan? Binabastos ba kita? Para sabihin mo sa akin, bastos? Sino bastos? Ikaw or ako? If you don't like to watch me, you can go. Bye. Because this live is only for the open-minded person. Sometimes, ang gulo-gulo na ng mundo, tapos masyado mo pang seryosohin. Hoy, 2025 na. Ang gulo-gulo na nga ng mundo, masyado ko pa dyan seryoso. Ang hirap mo pasayahin. This channel is not for the sarado-isip person. You can go, you can scroll, you can, hanap another video to watch. If you don't want me, if you don't like to watch me, you can free to go. Bye. Take care. I am just entertaining the people there on my live. I'm not just entertaining you. There's a lot of people there. Not only you. "51 years old." To those who are asking how old I am 51 already. I am Sri Lanka. Thank you for watching over there in Sri Lanka. I lost. Thank you, darling. Feeling. Yes, I am feeling. I am feeling happy, feeling pretty. How about you? You're so better. Nasarap rin at yummy ka pa rin. I know. Tangina namin basher ah. Hirap yung pasayahin ah. Kung ayaw nyo sa mga ganung usapan, pag good vibes lang yan without personalan, you can scroll. Because this channel for entertainment only, for mga uhaw people, like open-minded person, hindi yung close-minded person. Kasi kahit buka ka pa ako dito, di niyo naman ako mabubuntis. Mabubuntis niyo pa ako. Hindi. You can't even touch me. See, nawala na yung mga tao. Mayroon pa pala. Tangina. Saan galing yung 500 kanina? Ang daming basher, yawa.